What was your "I am surrounded by idiots" moment? 1. Not me, but my daughter. She was 17 at the time and working at a McDonald's in a rough neighborhood. They frequently had to check the bathrooms for needles and passed out junkies. Once, she even found a Bowie knife in there, and the manager let her keep it. One day, during her break, she found a man bleeding from a stab wound on the sidewalk. She followed their protocol, called for the manager, grabbed gloves and a towel, and went back outside. The manager, a 30-something male trained in first aid, stood outside wringing his hands, along with several older staff members. None of them would take the gloves. So, my daughter told someone to call 911, put on the gloves herself, and applied pressure to the man's wound. She kept him calm until the ambulance arrived, while her manager nearly passed out from hyperventilating. When the paramedics arrived, one praised her for her composure and skill. He was stunned.